Hello all you beautiful people, welcome back to Fit Samra's YouTube channel. I'm so sorry I couldn't upload from a couple of weeks. The reason being I was moving back from India to Canada and I had a lot of work to do, packing, unpacking, taking care of COVID restrictions. But now I'm all settled in. Now I'm gonna get started with today's much needed video, which is going to be yoga and stretches. Because I had a damn long flight of 25 hours actually, and my body is sore. So let's get started with some yoga and stretching exercises, which you can do early in the morning, in the evening. Let's dive into it. Alright, Fit Samra family, all you need is a yoga mat to get started with these yoga stretches. To do the butterfly stretch. So we're gonna sit like this and try to stretch those hip flexors. Try to bring your toes as close to your body as you can and try to relax those tight muscles. We'll bring our one leg forward and we'll try to touch our head on our knee. We're gonna switch sides now. Now we're going to get in the plank position. And from the plank position, we're just going to rock side to side. Bring our right leg forward into a deep lunge position. You feel a good stretch on your hips and on your hamstrings. Now we're gonna switch legs. Comment down below if you're feeling a good stretch at this point of time. Now we're gonna lay on our back and stretch our hamstrings. Bring your left leg up. Feel a good stretch. Oh, it feels good stretching those muscles. I'm gonna switch legs now. Just gonna relax those tight leg muscles. Now we're gonna sit back. Switch sides, or just place them on the mat. In your wrists, I can already hear them popping. And your toes. Now we're gonna cross our legs and do some neck stretches. Try to touch your chin to your chest. Slowly and gently. Bring it back. Stretch towards the back. Back to a neutral position. Now hold your head with the opposite hand and try to stretch gently. Back to neutral position. Now let's switch sides. You're just gonna relax the shoulders. Rotate your shoulders in a clockwise motion, then anti-clockwise. We're just gonna stretch. Oh, a good stretch, and I'm loving it after a long flight. If you guys are still following me, comment down below. How are you enjoying today's session? And make sure, if you haven't shared with your family and friends, do so, because it's you guys who keep me motivated to bring up new content. And you might feel that I won't be able to respond very often, but whenever I get time, I make sure that I respond back to all your beautiful messages and your DMs. So now we're gonna get into the next exercise, which is called child's pose. And for that, we're just going to lay down, stretch our arms forward, join our toes and point out our knees, and stretch, and bring our heart down. You can rock from one side to another and just be present in the moment. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring yourself back. Stretch one leg, moving into three-leg dog position. As we exhale out, bring that knee towards our chest. And getting back into the downward dog position. Now we're gonna switch legs, moving our left leg up, and then bringing it inward as we exhale towards our chest, into a three-leg dog position. Now we're gonna move down. Just gonna stretch side by side. Make sure you're giving yourself gratitude for just showing up, for just listening to your body and taking care of your well-being today. It's not easy to show up some days. You just are too exhausted or too overworked. Alright guys, so we're going to do the next exercise. It's called hip swivels, and for this exercise we're going to sit comfortably on the mat, and we're just going to move our legs side to side. So we're going to do it for about 10 times and 5 times on each side. This is going to relax our tensed hip muscles and open up those tight hip flexors. Make sure you're concentrating on your breathing while doing all these exercises. Don't forget to breathe in and breathe. It might be you might feel a little tightness on one side over the other, but gradually you will feel comfortable when your flexibility increases and your muscles are not too tensed. Back up. Now we're gonna lay down and in the lying position. Alright, for the next stretch, which is called the sideways glute stretch, in that we're gonna point our left leg outward, bring over our right leg and try to pull our knee towards our chest. You'll feel a great stretch in your glute muscles. Hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're gonna switch sides. I feel an immense stretch in my glute muscles. Make sure that you're comfortably lying on the mat and you're not jerking your lower back while doing this exercise. I'm going to switch sides. Sometimes pain feels good because you know it's for your betterment, and that's what I'm feeling at the moment. Alright, with Samra family, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stretching and flexibility workout, and I'd implemented a combination of stretches and yoga poses in this to open that tensed body up. And I usually perform these exercises when I feel sore and stiff, be it working out or by traveling. And if you guys are not following me on Instagram and TikTok, make sure you're following fit_Samra. I'll tag that up here. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment that down below. What would you like to see in upcoming videos? And I would love it if you like today's video, if you could share it with your family and friends. Have a good night. Take care. Adios. Bye.